Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account type and getting ready to change settings right away. You have a map, POP3, or Exchange. Know which one because the steps differ. Once you have admin credentials and device access, export the current profile or copy configuration files. This lets you restore if needed. Make sure you're on a secure network and that no syncs are running, and then open the Mail Client or Control panel to begin disabling the backup functions. You'll now stop the actual backup processes. Open Settings and disable automatic backups or scheduled sync jobs. Do it for each profile. Next, remove backup destinations. Sign out or unlink cloud accounts, unmount NAS shares, and eject external drives so no new archives are created. Then, stop or disable related services and agents. Use Service Manager or the Mail Client's advanced options to turn off the archiver or finish by verifying the change and cleaning up. You should check logs and last run timestamps to confirm no new backups occur. Open recent activity to validate. Re-enable only essential services and keep your exported profile as a restore plan. If something goes wrong, check permissions and scheduled tasks first, then inspect any leftover agents or system services that may auto-recreate backups. If you still see activity, reboot and recheck logs. Often a lingering service needs a restart to stop for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.